Essay on Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving 2025 will be celebrated on Thursday, November 27th. It is a festival mainly celebrated in the United States and Canada. The day is meant to thank God for the harvests and blessings of the past year. Families and friends gather to share a special meal together. The traditional food includes roast turkey, mashed potatoes, and pumpkin pie. People express gratitude for love, health, and happiness. Thanksgiving is also a time to help the poor and share with others. Many people watch the Thanksgiving parade and football games. It reminds everyone to be thankful for what they have. Thanksgiving spreads the message of love, peace, and gratitude. Happy Thanksgiving Day! Thanks for watching our video.